Let's learn Stargazing by Miles Smith. This is an easy 4-chord song. The only difficult part about it is the tempo. It's quite high, so if you're a beginner, you want to take it slow and build up to it. Okay, so you want to start by putting your capo on the 4th fret. We're going to use the chords F, C, A minor, and G. So on the verses, we're going to use what's called a palm mute. So with your strumming hand, you're going to hold it on the strings ever so lightly to give it that muted sound. The strumming pattern we're going to use is down, down, up, down, up. So it should sound like this.